Alright guys, it's round two. Unfortunately, old Fletcher last night, he ended up with 104, right? 101.4 temp. He woke up this morning, it's going down some, but since he's not 100%, he is going to be guiding. He's going to take me out this morning, see if we can't get on some big fish. Y'all know, especially those of you who've been subscribed since the beginning, it's been a tough year for me as far as catching some big fish, and definitely in the last two fishing trips with Fletcher, he's put me on some good ones, and it's about to get better. Yep. Here, I'll paddle this.
Kayak, but it's easy. Probably should stop when I caught that fish.
Oh, that's a fish. Oh yeah. That's it. Oh yeah. Got some fight to him. Hit that wobble.
The fish in here fights so hard.
Oh man. Oh man, I wish the GoPro could have got that. Did a little dance at the surface for us. Oh, chunk. Dang. Oh. You ain't taking this one. Oh. Oh man.
Well, I tell you about the fish in here.
Oh man. I'm just gonna let this boy. Alright. Oh yeah, he's tired. Oh! Oh man! Dude! Oh shit.
I told you I was gonna put you on the big one.
Oh man, dude, that is insane. You guys, look at that beauty right there. Oh.
You want me to take one wide ways?
Yeah.
Or you want me to get a release for you?
Yeah. Let me know when you're ready. She's gone. Oh man, that's a healthy fish. Oh.
Chunk.
Oh.
We got a chunk.
Oh, that's sexy.
One.
Tones and Fletcher giving y'all some A1 footage today.
Some big old bass. Oh god, they're choking it, man.
Yeah, they're hungry.
Alright,
look at that beautiful fish.
There we go.
Get that release on.
Nice chunk.
Nice.
Yeah, I got off.
Let me catch him. Got one. Oh, he got off. There he is. Oh! Oh!
It was wide.
Dang, I hope the GoPro got that. He about jumped in the daggone boat with us. Oh, that's a good fish.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh. Oh, man. Come on. Oh, he got hung up on something.
He's hung up on something?
No, he's up. He's up. Oh, man. Oh, man. This is a good fish. Oh, I don't know. I was oh. I wonder if this is the one that spit our crankbaits twice. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh.
Nice.
Guys.
Around, man.
Dude.
You gotta see these right there. Chunks, man.
That's definitely easy 4.5, 5 pounds. Look at that, guys. Whew. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. There she goes. I'm not sure if that was the same fish, but Fletcher got a hit, spit it out. I casted immediately behind him. I had one hit, spit it out. I cast the same exact spot, and then that stud hit it. Whew. Feels good. My hands are shaking, so let's get back to fishing. Just for the hell of it, let's find out.
Yeah, you'll lose possibility of things thrown into the abyss out there. Do not be surprised.
Oh, right at the boat. Oh, he slammed it at the boat. Oh man, dude, and he's taking it. He's taking it. Dude, oh my God.
He's running.
Oh man, dude. Yo, this fish slammed it right at the boat, and I just threw it out there. Oh man. Oh. This thing is putting a show out here.
Yeah, he ran too, man. He hit it, he took off.
Oh yes. Come on, buddy, get tired. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm pulling him now. Oh man. Oh nope, he's not ready. Nope.
Slip hook too, that's good.
Oh yeah. Whew, come on. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my bad. Well, I definitely don't have any valve problems in my heart. Woo. Dude, that is big. Oh man, beautiful fish. Get this chunk back in the water. Woo! Slow down real quick. Oh, yeah, he's alive. Oh man!
God, he went sky high.
Dang!
Yeah.
I should have put the camera on you as soon as you said there's one.
Dude, he went flying. It might have picked it up. I mean, you're facing this direction. Right.
No, I was facing to the left.
Oh, really? But your body's still facing.
Yeah. Oh man. Oh yeah.
Best
Beautiful
one of the day,
fish.
but healthy fish. Whew, he went flying.
Go.
Oh, there we go.
Nice. Ooh.
It's not that good, but it's pulling pretty good.
Oh, he's fat. Oh yes.
Not the best, but it's a good one.
Oh.
That's why it's pulling so hard.
Yes.
Another chunk. Let's go in.
Whoop. Oh, nice. Oh.
Ooh, one more before you leave. right in the
Shoot, yeah.
Not the biggest, but definitely not a bad one at all. Nice little chunk to end the day on.
Oh yeah.
Nice little 2.5. Probably high 2s. Good fish.
Woo.
Got it?
Yep. What an amazing morning that was. That's gonna be hard to beat, but it is time for me to head back to old Georgia, see my peeps down there, you know what I'm saying? I gotta give a huge thank you to Fletcher, man. I appreciate it, buddy.
No problem, dude. Anytime. You'll have to come back for sure.
This guy, and like I said in the first video of this trip, he told me he had the juice. Then he told me he had the fire. He definitely did not lie. I mean, first trip out here fishing, nothing but top water blow-ups all day. That was awesome. Then we come out here today and back to back just 4 or 5 pounders. I mean, that I don't get that a lot. Actually, that was the first time I've ever got that. So I appreciate you guys tuning in with me on this trip. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And also, do me a favor and check my boy Fletcher out. I'll leave a link to his channel below. That way y'all can go see, because that's what he does all the time, all right? And huge hybrid. Unfortunately, where he catches his hybrid, I've lost my fish. I don't know what it was or how big it was, but y'all definitely check him out. If you're not subscribed to me, make sure you do that, and I'll see y'all next time.